folks, I know the holidays can be stressful sometimes, and meal planning can also be stressful, especially if you have vegans, carnivores, and people that might eat gluten-free, and that's exactly the case in my house. So I wanted to share with you this little video of a holiday meal that we made. Everybody was happy and satisfied and had more than enough to eat. Also, at the end of the video, we enjoy a nice edible flower. So stay with me so you can see how that went. I started my family's day off with these beautiful strawberry cinnamon rolls. Not everybody in my house can eat these, but they had pink icing, so I had to buy them and make them. These are not gluten-free or vegan, so I can't enjoy them, but I heard they were delicious. Moving on to later in the day, I made some biscuits. Of course, these are not gluten-free or vegan, so again, not everybody can eat them, but they sure do look good. We made some yummy candied yams. They are vegan and they are gluten-free, so everybody can enjoy these. I didn't use any butter or anything like that in them. I definitely use vanilla. I used some citrus, also cinnamon. I like to use honey as the sweetener. And they came out really good. Marshmallows on top. Delish. We also got to enjoy a vegan and gluten-free veggie mix made with a little olive oil and some herbs and spices. Some of my family loves a traditional herb stuffing, so of course I did make that. Not gluten-free and not vegan. Don't worry, we didn't get left out. I made some rice stuffing. Also, the whipped potatoes were made with vegan butter and almond milk. Ham for the carnivores. This beautiful platter full of all kinds of good stuff. Settle down over there. Are we sharing one?
Yeah,
Here's a nice big one.
Great.
You want me to pick the small one? You're like, oh, whoa, settle down. Okay, so can we see us?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Oh, and it's filming still already. Okay.
Turn them one way?
No, it's good. I can scooch over here. So we've chosen the tiny one that we're gonna try. So go ahead, take your piece. Amanda, you want to try some?
Yeah.
Come over here and say hi to the camera. Hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
So Amanda's gonna try some little piece. Chunk. Andrew, you trying some? Get in here and say hi to the friends. Say hi, friends, in the camera. There you go. Okay. Anybody else want to eat a flower? Pull hard. Yeah, pull hard. There it is. There it is. Anybody else? Okay, so I'm going to take the last piece here. Can you see I'm taking it for real? Now we're going to try it. Okay. Whoa! That's got some flavor.
Just like an orange peel.
Yes. It tastes like an orange peel. A little bitter. Not
Very
bad, just bitter. Definitely tastes like a plant. Okay.
Hey,
Well, and there we have it.
it says on the package, do not eat the flowers.
We had traditional pumpkin and apple pies. Beautiful apple pie. Listen to that crust. We also had some vegan and gluten-free cookies. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. And please know it would mean so much to me if you would subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!